Greetings! This video is the tutorial for the remote control experiment RobotArm, which is the part of the Lab 4 All project. First of all, you need to click Request Control button to gain control over the experiment. If Server Status has the yellow text near it, you need to press Try to Reconnect button first. When you got the control, you need to write down your name, surname, and registration ID. The last one is specified by your educators. On the Lab Experiment #1 tab, your goal is to position the manipulator so that it can grab the red tube. To do this, you need to set Run Experiment to On and adjust the servo angle sliders. When the goal is completed, you need to click the Take Snapshot and Fill Results buttons to automatically fill in the report forms. After that, you need to turn off the Run Experiment option and answer the control question. On the Lab Experiment #2 tab, your goal is to set the position of the robot in the space and then perform forward kinematics calculations to compare the results. To do this, you need to set Run Experiment to On and use the fields for entering the values of the angles for servo motors. Then you need to press Input Angles button and update the position of the robot. Fill Math06 form from your calculations and click the Take Snapshot and Fill Results buttons to fill the rest. After that, you need to turn off the Run Experiment option and answer the control question. In the Lab Experiment #3 tab, your goal is to establish an arbitrary position of the robot in space and then perform calculations using the formulas listed on the tab. To do this, you need to set Run Experiment to On and set the servo angle sliders to arbitrary values. When you're happy with the results, you need to click the Take Snapshot and Fill Coordinates buttons to auto-populate the report forms. Then fill in the angle degree forms with the results of your calculations. After that, you need to turn off the Run Experiment option and answer the control question. When you are ready, you can save your results and download the PDF file of them at the Save Your Work tab. That's all for this tutorial. You can see full list of available experiments at thelabproject.eu.